Hello and welcome to this first tutorial for AKCP. In this tutorial we're going to be having a look at AKCCess Pro Server and how to add a device to the server. So let's jump in and get started. As you can see, I've opened up the software and this is the user interface that you'll generally be presented with when you first open the software. On the left hand side you can see that I have a range of options to which I can choose from. I need to make sure that I have the monitoring option selected. Then in the next window, which is the Server Explorer window, I want to make sure that I have the Sensors tab selected, because obviously we're going to be adding a securityProbe device with sensors attached to it. So how do we add the device? Well, there's multiple ways of doing this. We can right click and click Add AKCP Device, as well as adding network devices. The other way to do this is go to the top toolbar, select Add, and from here we can choose a range of devices, including AKCP device. However, my preferred method of doing this is to go down to the bottom, select Add, and this brings up a new window, and here we can choose what we want to add to the server. I'm going to go ahead and click AKCP device. This now brings up our new window, and here what we need to do is enter the IP address of our unit that we want to connect to, as well as the username and the password. Now before I go ahead and do this, I just want to make a quick mention that I'm assuming that you have already read the manual to your AKCP securityProbe and you've already selected the IP address, username and password for that particular base unit. Obviously you need to refer to the manual in order to be able to do that. So let's continue. First thing I want to do is add the IP address of my unit. In this case, that's 10.1.5.147. The next thing I need to do is add my username, which is admin, and finally add my password. Then I can go ahead and click Add, and you'll see it quickly adds to the server. Now you can see in the Server Explorer window, I've got the securityProbe 5ES and the IP address displayed in the Server Explorer window, along with an option to twirl down so I can see what sensors are attached to this unit. If I twirl down, you can see that I have my main module, and on that main module I have a motion detector and also a security sensor on port 1. Essentially, that is how to add your device to AKCCess Pro Server. In another tutorial we're going to take a look at how you view the sensor data and also graphing from this module that you've added to the server.